Transform your home with stunning balcony grill designs. Welcome to our exploration of balcony grill design ideas. Whether for safety, privacy, or aesthetics, a well-chosen grill can transform your outdoor space into a stylish and functional retreat. Let's start with classic wrought iron grills. These grills add a touch of elegance to your balcony, offering both durability and intricate designs that can suit various architectural styles, from traditional to modern. For a sleek, contemporary look, consider stainless steel grills. They are low maintenance and resistant to rust, providing a polished finish that complements modern apartment aesthetics while ensuring robustness against the elements. If you prefer a natural look, wooden grills are a fantastic option. They bring warmth and coziness to your balcony, and with the right treatment, they can withstand outdoor conditions and maintain their charm over time. Aluminum grills offer a lightweight yet sturdy solution, perfect for balconies that require flexibility in design. They come in various patterns and colors, allowing for a personalized touch without compromising strength or longevity. Laser-cut grills are ideal for those who want a unique artistic element. These grills can feature custom patterns cut with precision, adding an eye-catching feature that can also serve as a conversation starter. For those concerned with privacy, consider lattice or mesh designs. These grills provide a barrier without blocking the sunlight, creating a secluded space while maintaining an airy, open feel on your balcony. Glass grills can offer a modern minimalist look, allowing unobstructed views and plenty of natural light. Tempered glass ensures safety, and options like frosted or tinted glass add a bit of privacy. If security is a priority, consider security grills with enhanced locking mechanisms. These grills ensure safety without sacrificing style, offering peace of mind alongside their decorative appeal. Consider incorporating planters into your grill design. This adds greenery to your balcony, creating a living wall effect that enhances aesthetics and provides a refreshing, natural ambience. Color can significantly impact your balcony's look. Opt for powder-coated grills, which offer a wide range of color options, ensuring that your grill harmonizes with your home's color scheme. Combining materials is another innovative approach. Mixing metal with glass or wood can create a dynamic design, offering the strengths and aesthetic qualities of each material for a unique balcony feature. Grills with built-in shelving can add functionality, offering storage for plants, decor, or outdoor essentials. These multipurpose designs make excellent use of space, particularly on smaller balconies. Remember, the best grill design aligns with your personal style and functional needs. By carefully selecting materials and designs, you can create a balcony that's both beautiful and practical, enhancing your home's overall appeal. We hope these ideas inspire you to explore creative balcony grill designs for your home. With the right choice, your balcony can become a cherished extension of your living space.